Good morning and welcome. Now, golf bags are not the most exciting thing in our sport, but we all need one. This is the brand new bag from Gogogosportvpro, and it's got everything. You know, I don't think I've seen a bag with so many pockets and so many features. You get a point here to fit your magnetic rangefinder. You've also got two gaps here either side for the cart strap, or if you use a battery trolley, then the strap from the battery trolley, it comes through the bag rather than round the outside. I've checked out all the zips, all the stitching. This is a premium bag, but it doesn't come at a premium price. What Gogogosportvpro have done is they've pitched this to sell. They've rolled the price back 15 years compared to the big name brands. So in the very near future, when my big name brand is worn out, one of these is going on my trolley. Yeah, this is superb, and it only weighs 2.7 kilos. And they do a stand bag also. So it's going to be a toss-up for me. Which one do I buy? Or should I just get them both?